Huawei's warehouse stocks are running out, and it is still impossible to resolve the issue of purchasing new components due to the US sanctions. Nevertheless, the company is preparing to present the Huawei P50 series, which from the category of spring flagship can migrate to the category of summer ones. There is a possibility that the new series will receive the status of the last flagship of the company, and the company will put this final point in the smartphone industry in a spectacular and bright way. Therefore, the Huawei P50 family should get all the best on the market, and above all in the camera section. The most advanced representative of the line will be the Huawei P50 Pro Plus, and today a high-quality render of the flagship has appeared online. The design of the Huawei P50 Pro Plus already looks familiar to us thanks to the images that have been previously appeared on the network. The front panel will resemble the flagships of the Galaxy S series, but the main camera unit is really original. It is a massive and clearly allows you to stand out from the crowd. The most interesting thing is the Huawei P50 Pro Plus will have 5 sensors, and this will be the first smartphone of the company with so many sensors. One of them is periscope and nearby, perhaps a camera for macro photography or depth analysis. Leica branding is still also available. According to rumors, the Huawei P50 Pro Plus will receive a 1-inch Sony IMX800 sensor as the main sensor on the back of the Huawei P50 Pro Plus. The focus in the camera will be on zoom, and it can be digital 200 times. Among other characteristics of the camera, a liquid lens is mentioned, which the company has been creating for several years. As for the other specifications of the Huawei P50 Pro Plus, the smartphone is expected to have a 6.7-inch OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and a 300Hz response rate, a massive 4800 mAh battery, the powerful Kirin 9000 chipset with 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, as well as the priority Harmony OS 2.0 operating system. After a series of transfers, Huawei has decided on the date of the announcement of the flagship series Huawei P50. At least, insiders assures us of this and even called the exact release date on June 17, 2021. So what do you think, guys, of this new Huawei P50 Pro Plus renders? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely make my day. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.